Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we are working on a Maytag freestanding electric range. We're going to show you how to remove and install the power cord. To begin this repair, we must first access the rear of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8" deep well socket. Now that you have unplugged the unit and gained access to the back, first we'll need to remove the plate here. This covers your terminal block as well as wiring. There are 2 screws that hold it in. Push down and pull out. Now with our back panel removed, we have clear access to our power cord and terminal block assembly. The reason why you would be replacing a power cord, maybe you would have some burnt marks on here, it might not have continuity, so you could have a break. The bottom of the power cord could have burn marks on it and could have melted right at the head of the power cord. To begin the replacement, you'll need a 3/8" socket to remove the 3 bolts that are holding it on. Pull out on all of your terminals and slide it through the access port. When installing your new power cord, you can get these from any type of hardware store. Local shops in your area do carry them. They are 3-prong or 4-prong depending on what you have on your wall outlet. Now when installing them, you'll notice that there are 3 prongs on this one. You have an L1, an L2, and a neutral. This middle wire is the one you have to be very careful of. You do not want to plug this onto the L1 or the L2 slots. You want to plug it directly into the middle. The other 2 do not matter. So first, feed it through the center port. We will put on our L1, our neutral, the L2. Now get the nuts and tighten them by hand. Next, tighten them up. Now we can reinstall our back panel. There are 2 tabs that you insert into the 2 slots of the oven and then you lift up. So align both sides in the designated slots. Slide up, replace your screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.